Experiencing issues with Rogers On Demand? Is your app not working? This section addresses how to resolve those problems, focusing on two key areas: app refresh and account entitlements. Start by understanding that Xfinity may cause confusion, as Rogers is the Canadian provider. Rogers provides Ignite TV services with on-demand features, and we're here to help with service disruptions. The most common reasons for on-demand issues are glitches within the Ignite TV app, now on version 12.5.1, and problems with your account's access permissions. A simple app refresh clears cached data, forcing a reconnection to Rogers servers to update content libraries and user entitlements. Account entitlements are digital permissions tied to your subscription, determining access to specific on-demand content based on your plan tier and billing status. A simple app refresh and account entitlement check should solve most common problems. Let's dive into fixing the problem. First, perform an app refresh. This clears cached data and reconnects to Rogers servers to update your content library and entitlement status. In the Ignite app, find Settings, then App Refresh, or simply force close and reopen the app. Next, verify your account entitlements. These permissions, tied to your subscription, grant access to on-demand content. For a stable connection, ensure you have at least 25 Mbps for HD content. If these steps don't resolve the issue, there may be a deeper problem, such as geo-blocking or account issues requiring Rogers support.